Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the heart of Indian cuisine with the top 10 most popular street foods. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out. Let's dive in. First up, we have the biryani, a popular Indian dish that is a layered rice dish made with Indian spices, rice, fresh herbs, and usually some type of protein, such as meat, cheese, or egg. The dish is made with long-grained rice flavored with fragrant spices such as saffron and layered with lamb, chicken, fish, or vegetables and a thick gravy. The meat is usually marinated before being cooked, and the most common marinade is yogurt spiced, based as the acid in the yogurt helps to tenderize the meat. Next on our list is the dosa, a popular South Indian dish made from fermented batter consisting of rice and black gram, also known as urad dal. The batter is spread thin on a hot griddle or flat pan and cooked until crispy on one side, then flipped and cooked on the other side. The resulting thin, crepe-like pancake is usually served with a variety of chutneys, sambar, and/or potato masala. Dosas are known for their crisp texture and tangy flavor, thanks to the fermentation process. Now let's talk about the tandoori chicken, a popular Indian dish characterized by its vibrant color and smoky flavor. The chicken is marinated in a blend of yogurt, spices, and sometimes food coloring, then cooked in a tandoor, a cylindrical clay oven. The marinade not only tenderizes the meat, but also infuses it with a unique blend of flavors, including garam masala, red chili powder, cayenne pepper, and turmeric. The chicken is traditionally cooked over charcoal or wood, which adds a smoky aroma to the dish. Continuing our journey, we have pani puri, a popular Indian street food that consists of small, crispy, hollow, fried dough balls filled with a mixture of boiled potatoes, chickpeas, or moong sprouts, and then drenched in a sour and spicy mint-flavored water. The puris are typically filled with the main ingredients, along with a variety of chutneys, sev, fried noodles, and spices, and then dipped into the flavored water before being eaten in one bite. The water is the most important component of the dish, and it is often the main source of flavor. Let's explore the naan, a popular Indian flatbread that is typically served with a variety of Indian dishes, such as curries, kebabs, and tandoori chicken. It is made from a simple dough of flour, water, yeast, and salt, which is then rolled out and cooked in a tandoor oven. The high heat of the oven causes the bread to puff up and develop a slightly charred, crispy exterior, while the inside remains soft and chewy. Naan can be flavored with a variety of ingredients, such as garlic, butter, or herbs, and can also be stuffed with ingredients like cheese or minced meat. Next on our list is the chaat, a diverse and flavorful range of Indian street snacks, bursting with flavors and textures. It is a popular way of eating that combines sweet, sour, tangy, spicy, and crunchy elements, making it a truly craveable experience. The essential components of chaat include a base, such as fried flour crackers or puffed rice, sauces like cilantro mint and tamarind chutney, crunchy elements like fried potato bits or spiced chickpeas, diced vegetables such as onions, tomatoes, and boiled potatoes, and a sprinkling of chaat masala, a ubiquitous Indian spice blend that adds a unique umami flavor. Moving on to the next dish, butter chicken, also known as murg makhani, is a classic Indian dish that originated in northern India. It is a rich and creamy curry made by simmering marinated and grilled chicken in a buttery tomato-based gravy. The chicken is first marinated in a spiced yogurt mixture, then grilled or roasted before being added to the sauce. The sauce is made with a combination of butter, tomatoes, cream, and a blend of aromatic spices such as garam masala, turmeric, and cumin. It is often served with naan or basmati rice, making it a satisfying and comforting meal. Now let's talk about the vada pav, a popular vegetarian street food snack that originated in Mumbai, India. It consists of a deep-fried potato dumpling called Batata Vada, which is placed inside a soft dinner roll or fluffy bun called pav, and is laced with spicy and sweet chutneys. The Batata Vada is made by mashing boiled potatoes and tempering them with simple spices like mustard seeds, hing, asafoetida, and curry leaves. The mashed potatoes are then shaped into balls and coated with a chickpea batter before being deep-fried until crispy. The pav is typically smeared with a combination of green chutney, tamarind chutney, and dry garlic chutney before being stuffed with the Batata Vada. Next, Gulab Jamun, a popular Indian dessert that consists of small fried balls of a milk-based dough that are soaked in a syrup scented with green cardamom, saffron, rose water, and other spices, served warm or at room temperature. The floral, fruity quality of the syrup is particularly important. The dough for Gulab Jamun is made with milk solids, traditionally khoya, which is a form of dried milk that's prepared by simmering a large and wide pot of milk, slowly over several hours until all the water leaving behind the milk solids. The dough is then shaped into small balls and deep fried until golden brown. Once the balls are fried, they are soaked in a warm, spice-infused simple syrup. Lastly, let's explore Kathi roll, a popular Indian street food originating from Kolkata, West Bengal. Traditionally, it is a skewer-roasted kebab wrapped in a paratha bread. The paratha is a layered flatbread made from dough that is kneaded into a rope, then coiled into a round patty and partially fried in oil on a griddle. The kebabs, originally made with beef, are now also made with chicken, mutton, or vegetarian variations. The cooked filling is rolled with vegetables and chutney in the paratha bread, which is frequently cooked with a bit of egg. That wraps up our top 10 Indian street foods. Which one are you eager to try? Tell us in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty content. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying delicious food. Thank you for watching.